I'm not here to be your best mate.
Right.
So when the shit hits the fan, just listen to what I've got to say and let's get on with it.
Yeah.
We'll start arguing at 11 o'clock, not before it.
Very good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, let's go through the menu. So it's a summer vegetable soup.
Yeah.
With crayfish tails, finished with a touch of walnut pesto. Our main course is a sort of fricassee of rabbit, served with wild mushrooms, a little bit of white wine, finished with a really nice mustard cream sauce. Jason, what's the dessert?
A rhubarb souffle, which is beautiful and nice, and it's going to be done with a white chocolate topping.
Are we ready?
Absolutely.
Ready? Yes? Let's go, guys. On order, 4 covers, table 10. 4 summer soup, 4 rabbit fricassee, 4 rhubarb souffle.
That's mine, yes, chef.
Thank you. On order, 4 covers, table 2. 4 summer soup, 4 rabbit fricassee, 4 rhubarb souffle. What are you doing, Dean?
Doing a soup.
Yeah, how many 4?
2.
2?
Yes.
I didn't even call it out 2.
Well, David's going to do 2.
Sorry?
We're doing 2 each. 2 each.
2 each?
Yes.
Why? No, but...
Why not?
Yeah, can I run the kitchen?
Yeah, sure.
And if you do as you're told, we'll get through this, you know?
Right.
Adrian?
I'm waiting for you to give me instructions.
Good man. The brigade have been shown how to make this summer soup, finished with walnut pesto. But to get things off to a good start, I'm going to go through it with them again one more time. Bacon in, yes? Onions. Just a small amount of seasoning. OK, and the carrots are sliced thinly, so they cook very, very quickly, OK? Turnips. Now, it's really important to start sweating these vegetables down like this to enhance the flavour. Potatoes, they're going to take a lot longer to cook than the beans, yeah? OK? Beans, leeks. Little bit of cabbage.
Yeah.
Good. Last minute. Yeah. Crayfish tails. We've got 4 portions. 8 tails.
Nice.
Little bit of fresh mint. Yeah. Olive oil. And crayfish are just like prawns, do you know what I mean? So don't overcook them. Be very, very careful. They just stay nice and pink.
Yes, sir.
Happy?
Yeah.
OK, ladle, let's go. Nice array of vegetables. And then get your tails in there.
Beans, cabbage.
Yeah. So the pesto in there is walnuts, pine nuts, parmesan, garlic, basil, yeah, and olive oil. That's it.
Is that enough?
That's nice. Just enough. Little teaspoon in the middle. Service, please.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
go. Right,
That's
wipe
for me.
down, please. Yep, wipe down. Dean.
Yes, chef.
You made a delicious soup, and it looks fucking disgusting. Why you put so much in there? Huh?
Portion's too much.
Huh?
Portion's too much, chef.
Yeah, no, but you got to eat and sort of drink the soup, not have a fucking bath in it. Back in here, come on. Why has it gone all black, yours? Why is it all black, the stock? Do you burn the bottom of the pan? Because it looks like it's been burnt. Look at the colour of it, look. Yeah.
It's dark,
one
yeah.
goes out nice.
Right.
Yeah, one goes out shitty. Start again, let's go. Guys, while we're doing this, yeah, the only thing to remember is that if this soup is not good enough, Dean,
Yes, chef.
the customers don't pay for it, it's as simple as that.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, then you look stupid, OK?
Yes, chef.
Last table, yes? Yeah?
Is that enough, chef?
Let's go. Go, please, yeah? 4 on table 4. Now we're going to find out who's paying for the soup, yes? And who's not paying for the soup.
Okay, very good news tonight. It went very well.
Go on.
Out of 50, only 4 people are not ready to pay.
So 46 said they'd pay, and 4 people said they wouldn't pay.
They wouldn't pay, yeah.
Well, you know, that's not fucking perfect, but it's bloody good. You know that? Considering. For the main course, we've got to get 100%.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes, chef.
Yeah. I'm looking for the best brigade. You're here to be part of that.
Yes,
and to prove to yourself and to me and to them as well, yes? Show me that you're sort of, you know, hey, hungry, keen and fucking determined to shine as the best brigade in the F word.
Yes, chef.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Rather than being a bunch of grumpy old fucking overweight fat fuckers from Bolton. Yeah?
Fucking hellfire.
There you go. That's what you are now, isn't it? Yeah? There you go. There you go. You've seen fuck all so far. Trust me.